Hi guys, welcome to the videos how to fix error on Play Store. Okay, let's go menu. After, go settings, option, search option, app, select app. Now go Google Play Store option, click here, disable updates. Okay, click here. Now go option storage, clear data, clear cache. Second solution, let's go menu, setting options, search account option, select Google, disable all Google accounts, click here, remove account. Okay, remove all accounts. Third solution, let's go menu, guys. Okay, let's go settings option, now go option apps. Okay, second please, apps option, select apps option, let's go Google Play Service option, select Google Play Service, second, let's go storage option, manage space, select manage space, clear all data. Okay, let's go back, clear cache. Okay,